We get some new Shein packages. Okay, let's go with the first bag. Y'all, I have to do this video like really fast because it's the day before I go away and my friends them get ready. They literally say get ready. So I have to hurry up, get ready. But I'm not getting ready before I do my work. So this is the first package.
We hit the plan and it's cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a tear. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a div. Oh yeah.
So these are my packages from Shein. Obviously they're already open because I had to make sure that the shipping company is shipping all of my products. Because I been having wigs and you know everything going missing. So this is the first item from Shein, and as you guys know, I will put them on the screen so you guys can see them on my body. So this is the first outfit from Shein. It's a red top. It's a red halter top. I got this in a size medium. It has like 2 strings right here. And let's see the material of this. Because I definitely don't know the material. This was made in Dublin. UK Shein. Okay. I think it's the first time I ever got something from Shein in the UK. But it doesn't even say the material. But it has a stretch material. It's kind of see-through but not see-through. Around the body part it's actually almost open. These clothes are definitely going to go straight inside my suitcase. This is another top that I got. It's a cherry top, but it has 2 silk bows to the top. It gives like a corset effect in the front, where you can draw the strings, or you can loosen up the strings fakely, because you can't loosen these. It just tied up. It gives like a corset effect. And they don't have those wires in here to be snug. And I got this in a size medium. It's stretch. And this material is awesome. Like it's thick. You can't see nothing through it. You can't see my hand or anything. And it actually, I love how they gave the thick bands. Because you can wear a bra with it all. Because you can wear a bra with it. If I say also one more time. I don't know why you're saying also, but yeah. Do y'all like my hair? Like, check this out. You see this? This is my raw hair vendor. This one is a 2-piece outfit. It's like a long skirt. This must have been turned on the wrong side. All that time this was turned on the wrong side, I didn't know. So this is the skirt. It all had like a slant. Gathering on both sides, elastic in the waist. So you can get this in a small. You don't have to get this in a medium. If you wear a medium, you can wear a small so it can be fitted. It has a split to the back. And it's also stretch. So like I said, I got this in a medium, but you guys can get it in a small. And this is really thick. Like you can't see through this material at all. This one is the top, and it also has like gathering where you can draw the string. It's like a one shoulder, one arm. Out of all of these, I think that this one is my favorite one. This dress. Vacation mode. Like this dress is so pretty, you guys. It's see-through. You can see everything through it. So it's like a pool dress. You could wear this to a pool. You could wear this at the resort. And it has like a drop neck. And all of the back is exposed. And the skirt is long. This is like my favorite dress out of all of them. And it's one of my favorite colors. after royal blue. This is another top. This one is like a corset also, but I got this in a medium. This one should fit. And it has like the corset effect in the front. And it has the ruffles to the top. And this is the back. And you guys notice that the company is making the shirts with the rubber lining inside of it so that it can actually stay on the skin and you don't have to keep pulling it up. That was genius. And it also has a version of ruffles to the bottom. And I got this in a medium. And this has stretch, but not that much. So if you don't have that much boobs, you can wear a small. But I think my boobs is growing back because I lost weight, like 25 pounds. So you still can get a medium in that. But if you don't have boobs, you can get a small. I still get better. Okay, this is a black dress. I think everybody should have a black dress inside their closet. It has a mesh top. And it has a tie neck. Like, I love this. Like this see-through top. And then the just go open to the bottom. And then this elastic in the waist right here. And it just flat to the bottom. I love this. I got this in a size medium. I'm going to put on the screen exactly, this is a vibrant retro font. I'm going to put on the screen exactly where I got this dress from. Like which part of Shein. So I'll place it to the screen. Someplace on the screen or to the bottom, I'll place it. So you guys can know everywhere I got these dresses. All of these came from the same section, I think. No, because Shein have it written on the form. Let me see. They'll tell you which department they send you the clothes from. But I don't know if they did. Normally on here, it says Shein fulfillment. They didn't say. They normally is right which section of Shein they send the stuff from. But it might be the mod section. Okay, this is the other shirt. This is a halter shirt. It has one arm. You can wear it as a one arm shirt. It's stretch. A lot of stretch. I love it. And it has like gathering to the side. The gathering don't stretch, but it stretches. And I got this in a size medium. And another one. Y'all, this is one of my favorites. Like I said, this has the rubber right here, so like it stays on the breast. It don't drop down. You have to keep pulling it up. This is the jeans dress that Shein sent. Like, I love this so much. Like, what? It's a stretch dress. It's really nice material. It's not a skirt. It's just an actual dress. It has zipper in the back. This zipper is very easy. It isn't the zippers that's like in the inside of the clothing. It's on the outside of the clothing. And to the top, stretches. So you have a big back, you definitely can wear this. And I got this one in a size medium. And I like the heart belt right here, like the buckle. This cannot remove. It's actually on there to stay. What's this? Oh, and the jean skirt. We all need a jean skirt in our closet. So this is a jean skirt. There's a stretch. I got this in a medium. It has loops. buckles to the side that can actually unbuckle, pockets to the back, but no pockets to the front. I wish it had like a pocket where like it have a little cut and then you can put something in there. But yeah, and I got this in a medium. It kind of looks big, but let's try it on right here. I got this in a size 6, yeah, a medium. Okay, you guys, and that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. Thumbs down this video if you didn't enjoy it. But just remember, we don't care. But thank you guys for 2K subscribers. I love you. We're gonna be bigger by next year. Trust and believe. So I love you guys. I love y'all support. I love everything. I love y'all interaction with my videos. But you guys can request more videos also. Thank you and enjoy.